Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host, Kamatni Rawlins, and welcome to the Hyundai Motor Group Innovation Center in Singapore, where the goal is to accelerate the vision of the company's human-centric mobility.
So what is a smart mobility hub? It's a space that brings together the customers, the manufacturing process, and then more importantly, the products, the mobility devices.
For example, approximately 50% of all tasks will be carried out by robotics, artificial intelligence, and vision technology. So what we have here is Spot. There's 4 of these robotic dogs, and their goal is to partner with one of the human techs. So when the tech is spec'ing out a vehicle, Spot will go under it and take photos. Those photos will be sent up to the command center, where technicians will analyze the data to make sure that there were no errors. As you can see here, humans, robotics, and artificial intelligence collaborate to achieve unprecedented levels of harmonious collaboration.
The whole idea is to make whatever tasks are not as safe or not as consistent, as automatable as possible.
So ideally, Hyundai would like to produce about 30,000 electric vehicles here at the Innovation Center. That'll be Ioniq 5s and Ioniq 6s. So what we have here is 4 robotic arms that are installing some parts on the vehicle. And earlier we witnessed preparing an Ioniq 5 by placing on the fender, installing the seats inside the vehicle, the dashboard, the headliner. I mean, the robots can be programmed to do an array of different tasks. Another cool feature at the Innovation Center is the Autonomous Mobile Robots, AMRs. And what's even more impressive is that from the command center, the techs up there can analyze the data and make sure that the AMRs are headed to their right destination and that parts aren't missing. Okay, but there's more at the Innovation Center. How about a sustainable smart farm to purify the body with healthy sustenance? That's right, Hyundai is here manufacturing food where they can harvest 250 plants. Now, why do they do this? To show that the applications can be utilized for anything, from cars to food, especially since here in Singapore, over 90% of their food is imported. Well, we're going to test out the Ioniq 5 to make sure the quality checks check out. I'm not driving, I got a professional driver, but he knows from the beginning what's wrong or if there's any defects in the vehicle. Let's ride.